So the exciting thing about entrepreneurship and starting up a company is that you can have your research to see it have real industry impact. So millions of users can benefit from, for example, deep compression. They can run their algorithms much faster. And with specialized hardware for AI, they can deploy neural nets and AI algorithms even on battery-constrained or resource-constrained devices. For example, this is a demo from DeFi Tech for surveillance camera where accelerating object detection used my algorithm of deep compression. So on the left-hand side, this is without compression. You see it runs at only 4 frames per second for each video, detecting cars, pedestrians, and bicycles. On the right-hand side, we compressed the model, greatly compressed the model. So each frame, it can run at 30 frames per second. So it's very real time to run those object recognition, even on the same piece of hardware. So seeing those from papers to applications to real customers, we have some real more problems than only writing the paper. So there is still a gap, but after filling the gap, we can build a whole ecosystem from algorithm to hardware and to customers as a whole solution. So that makes me very exciting. My goal for the next 5 to 10 years is make our life better through technology, especially the AI technology, making AI more efficient, make it everywhere, so everywhere of our lives will benefit from AI. And my second goal is to cultivate more PhD students and qualified researchers. So currently the AI industry is short for AI researchers. I want to cultivate more students who are capable of doing cutting-edge AI research from MIT. For our member ILP companies, we really appreciate your support to our research and give us the newest real-world industry problems. And also we'd like to give our newest research results, the new findings, new discoveries to our industry partners. So we look forward to a tighter collaborations in the future. Yeah, talking about the relationship between industry and academia. So industry has more powerful resources. For example, there are more computation resources for like GPUs and also more engineers to deal with the same problem. Well, there are real-world production needs, some real-world problems. Well, in academia, we have students that can focus on one problem and for 5 to 6 years, just on a single problem, more focused, without production pressure. They can have research on those high-risk, high-return stuff that have a long return, maybe return in 5 or 10 years. So it's very complementary to each other. So a healthy relationship between academia and industry will be very helpful for this sustainable long-term research. So ILP can help us connecting industry and So ILP helps connecting industry and our research labs, introduce us more opportunities, give us more exposure, and introduce us more channels. And that's very helpful for us to bring our research to a broader impact and also get more collaborators in industry.